Hi there, my name is George, and together with Craig and Joe we have created the website GaRecco. This stands for Game Recommendation. So the idea was thought of in relation to the fans also like functionality that Spotify uses, but we wanted to create this for video games instead. So we have created a website that allows the user to search for a certain game. So if I search for a game now, let's search for God of War. Okay, so I've searched for God of War. It's returned the first God of War, so it's gave me the title of the game, which was released in 2005. It's also give me a description of the game and a user rating. It's then give me 4 games below that are recommended based on the game's genre. Okay, once the page is refreshed, a random game appears. So in this case it's Half-Life Alyx, which I believe was the virtual reality game Half-Life that was released not so long ago. Here again, description, a rating, and then it's give 4 games based on its recommendation of the genre. Again, refresh, new game, this time Ori and the Will of the Wisps, and then again 4 games recommended based on the genre. Okay, so basically this is our website. Going to talk through some improvements that we could make in the future. So improvements we would like to add as such, we would like to add a functionality for this button here. It says cheapest price. This would take the user to a website displaying the cheapest price on where to buy the game. We would also like to add this functionality to each of the recommended games below. We could also add functionality to allow the user to press on one of the recommended games and take them straight to the title, description and rating that way. We also thought of the idea of creating functionality to allow the user to log into Discord, which would be somewhere around the top of the screen. This could then display games that their friends on Discord would be playing and then give recommendations based on that. And then finally, we would add the functionality of allowing a user to create an account. This would then allow them to store games that they've searched for or games that's been recommended, so they can come back to them at a later date and then go and see if they want to pick them up, buy them and play. Okay, so this was GaRecco. Thanks for listening. Hope you have fun out there.